The Moon Child. In the village of Umozola, where the owls seldom hoot and the moonlight cast eerie shadows on the red earth, a strange birth occurred under the full moon. The child came silent, neither cried nor whimpered, her skin pale like powdered chalk, her eyes like pools of silver water. They called her Nwanioma, but the elders whispered a different name behind closed obi doors, Nwa Onwa, the Moon Child. Her mother, Adiz, had been barren for 13 seasons. Many said her womb was sealed by the gods, others said she was cursed by a jealous co-wife. But one eerie night, after she bathed in the forbidden Ohiamiri stream, where the spirits of the drowned were said to dance, her belly began to swell. When the midwife, Mama Nwakigo, saw the child, she gasped. "This is not a child of man and woman," she whispered, crossing herself with orgy and sprinkling nzu on the floor. "This is a child of the night." The priest of the Ogwagu shrine, Dibia Afimefiona, was summoned. He arrived in his leopard skin wrapper, carrying a gourd of chalk and feathers from the black vulture. After staring into a mirror of dark water, he murmured, "The child is a bridge between two worlds. She carries a curse and a warning." He demanded a ritual. A cock must be slaughtered at midnight, 7 kola nuts cracked under the Iroko tree, and the Umwada must sing songs of cleansing for 7 nights. But Adis refused. "Is it a curse to finally have my own child? Let those who have mocked my empty womb stay far." And so, the Moon Child grew. She never played with other children. She spoke only when the moon was high. Goats would panic near her, chickens refused to eat where she stood. At night, her lullabies echoed like voices from a cave. Yet, she was beautiful, so beautiful that even the masquerades at Iriji festival paused to watch her dance. But then, the deaths began. First, the village night watchman was found with his eyes wide open, his mouth stuffed with feathers. Then, the twin boys of Obi Okari went missing, last seen playing near the Moon Child's compound. Whispers turned into panic. A council of elders was called, and the old proverb echoed, "Ogu no ff no bugi no tugi egu, oni noiji eke kumyo, ekwensu yoayugo egu." The one who calls the spirit must not fear when it answers. He who dances naked before the gods must be ready to feel the fire.